Morning all, welcome back to the channel. Sean from J&G Carpet and Window Cleaning Services. Patio clean today. Lovely sunny day. No resanding, just cleaning the patio. So yeah, let's crack on. So here's the patio. Yeah, clean all this. A lot of white spot. Here's the local cat. Come to investigate what I'm doing. The kit I'm going to be using today, my Pro Sprayer backpack. Trusty Karcher K4 at the moment. Did a test patch just here. So it's going to come up lovely colour. So here it is. Let's go. Okay, halfway through. Not bad. Grime line. That's shout out to Flawless Cleaning. I like that line. Grime line. Fantastic. Got a little bit more to go. Just this section here. I was going to use the surface cleaner, but Turbo Nuzzo. It's quite fun doing each tile. But yeah, let's crack on. Okay guys, so all done. Pressure wash, rinse down. Just getting the hypo ready in the pressure sprayer backpack. But yeah, as you can see, it's come up absolutely fantastic. So just that to go, and then we would have bossed it. Peace. Okay guys, all done. Sun's out, it's drying it quickly. But here it is. What an improvement. It's a fantastic colour. I mean, look at it. What it was before. Bit damp here. Don't get no sun though. But really happy. Really happy with this. Fantastic results. A lovely colour. Okay, all take care. Thank you very much. If you could all subscribe, like this video, comment, it'd be great. Very much appreciated. Thanks a lot. Take care. Have a good day all.